Have you been thinking about trying a fountain pen but keep hesitating? Between the maintenance, using bottled ink, and all the different options, it can feel a little intimidating. So, in this video, we're breaking down the real pros and cons, and by the end, you'll know whether it's actually worth it for you. The biggest benefit by far, the writing experience itself. Fountain pens feel smoother, and the ink flow is more consistent. You don't get that skipping or buildup you sometimes get with ballpoints. And because you naturally slow down, your handwriting often looks better. There's also a huge level of personalization. You're not limited to just black or blue ink. There are endless colors, shading effects, even shimmer inks. For many people, this turns writing into a hobby, and a lot of users treat their fountain pens as very personal items. They don't like lending them out, because the wrong pressure can damage the nib. Another major advantage is reduced hand fatigue. Unlike ballpoint pens or gel pens, fountain pens don't require pressure to write. The ink flows through capillary action, so you're really just letting the pen glide across the page. Because of that, many users say they can write much longer without pain or cramping. Now, on the downside, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you do have to adjust how you write. You need a lighter touch and a lower angle, and the nib has to stay properly aligned. Second, paper matters more than you think. On cheap paper, you might see bleeding or feathering, but there are affordable options that work really well. There's also some maintenance involved. You'll need to clean the pen occasionally. Otherwise, the ink can dry out or clog. You can try the Writech Clictek fountain pen. It doesn't require any ink filling or cleaning, so it's super low maintenance and very beginner friendly. Just replace the cartridge when you run out of ink. It comes with 5 ink cartridges, so you're pretty well stocked. And it also includes an empty one, so you can fill it with any ink color you like. So, at the end of the day, switching to a fountain pen is really a trade-off. So if writing ever feels uncomfortable or boring, it might be worth trying. But if you just want something simple and convenient, ballpoints and gel pens are still great. Either way, now you know what to expect.